Plantains? Yeah, sure, no problem. I'm gonna teach you all about plantains. Hi, it's Christine, and today on Cooking Up a Storm, it's all about plantains. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite things to do with plantains, which is plantain pancakes, which are great. They are paleo, which is even better, so there's no flour because there's enough starch in these plantains to replace all the flour in your pancakes. I don't know if you've ever bought plantains at a grocery store before, but they come bruised and kind of blackened like this, which is great. This is kind of how you want them for sweet preparations. And then they come green, which is what we're going to be using today. We're going to be using the green plantains because they'll have the most starch. Less sugar than bananas, way more starch than bananas, full of potassium, and you can incorporate these guys in so many dishes. So let's get started with these green plantains. One nice green plantain. Now, the green plantains are a little harder to peel than the ones that are ripened. The peel tends to stick, so I'm just going to show you how I peel them. But I'm just going to chop both ends off, and I'm going to make a line all the way down. And if they are really hard to peel, basically, you would just peel it yourself with a paring knife the same as you would a potato or an apple, let's say. But you can see how it's a little bit more difficult, but it's coming out pretty good. So let's chop up our plantain, rough chop, and we're gonna put all this in the blender, which is making this recipe really easy because the blender is gonna do all the work. Plantain, 2 large eggs, a little bit of baking soda, so that's just a half a teaspoon, pinch of salt, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla just for flavor. I just love the flavor of vanilla. And let's blend this up. I'm going to use coconut oil for these pancakes because I think just the idea of a little bit of coconut oil with the plantain is just a nice combination. Once your pan is nice and hot, I'm gonna make these into like tiny little snack kind of size pancakes. I find this batter is better for smaller size pancakes because it cooks a little bit more evenly. And just like with regular pancakes, when you see those little bubbles, that means they're ready to flip.